delicious crafts fans! Today we're making a DIY Sisu dragon from Raya and the Last Dragon. If you haven't watched the movie, make sure to watch it. It's so good! So without further ado, let's get started! First, grab a blue paper to make the dragon's body. Fold it in half the vertical way and cut it. Roll the toilet paper roll in one of the halves of the blue paper and glue it. Then get 3 circles shapes of 3 different sizes, small, big, and medium. Grab the half of blue paper and trace the small circle and the biggest circle. Then take your purple paper and draw the medium circle on it. Let's cut the smallest blue circle. The purple paper will be Sisu's mane, so draw a mane shape, kind of like what we're doing, and cut it out. Repeat the same steps on your largest blue paper, except make it a bit bigger than the purple mane. Then, glue all your paper pieces together to form Sisu's face. Draw all the details on Sisu's face with a Sharpie. Draw Sisu's horn on the leftover blue paper, cut it out, and glue it to the face. Next, glue your whole face to the toilet paper roll covered in blue paper. Finally, on your remaining blue paper, draw a tail shape and cut it out, and then glue it to your Sisu's body, and then follow along to make the details on the tail, and you're done! Make sure to pause the video if the video is going too fast for you. Sometimes it can get a bit hard. Doesn't our DIY Sisu look so cute? It looks just like the real Sisu. And if you haven't checked out our other Raya and the Last Dragon videos, make sure to check them out. We did an unboxing of toys and a DIY Raya sword. Bye, fans!